Hello everyone, I'm Arunima from Knit and Otter, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make these hangers to hang your gift card, sweater, ornaments from a Christmas tree. They can be used to hang any other ornaments as well. If you have smaller size or larger sized ornaments which have sort of a neck where you can insert these hangers, you can use these to hang them on a tree. And I wanted to make them with paper clips initially, but the sweaters are, the width is larger than the hangers that I was able to make with the paper clips, so I decided to make one from this wire directly. So here's the wire that I've used. It is I picked this up from the beading section in Michael's. It is a 20 gauge wire, and I think it's the perfect size to make these hangers. You'll need something to cut this. I just used this tool and twisted the cord, the wire enough that it broke, but this tool is also very useful because it's easy to shape this wire using this tool. Again, I picked it up from the beading section. I'm not sure what it's called, but you can use anything that you can bend that wire with. So I'm going to get started. What we have to do to start with is to check how wide the neck of our ornament is, or this gift card holder is. So it's about 2 inches, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a hanger which is a little over. So it's, I think this one is 2 1/4. Yeah, that's a little over 2 1/4 inches. So you need to make sure that your hanger is slightly bigger so it doesn't slip, the gift card holder doesn't slip from it. And what I've done is I've cut this wire just enough to be able to make another hanger, and this is just an approximation. So this is about 7.5 inches in length, and I like to use a little larger wire than actually needed because I can always cut it in the end, but if it is smaller then that won't work. So I'm going to start with making this section here on this side. Here I'm going to just bend this a little like this, and then I'm going to bend it from, so I'm going to measure about 2 1/4 inches on this side, so about this much, and I'm going to bend it from here. So that is the bottom of that hanger, and that'll be the width of it. Now I just have to shape it to give it the shape of the actual hanger with the hook. So here it is, and I'm going to here make that neck. So here is when I start using this tool. So it looks a little bit like a hanger, and I'm going to make this little, I'm going to bend this here so that holds it in place. I could cut this to make it smaller, but for now I'm going to leave it as it is. Well, this is pretty much all there is to it. I can just need to shape it a bit. And here you go. It's not as pretty as the one that I have from earlier, but it will work. So this is how you make it, and you can change the length of this neck. So sometimes if you look at one of my sweaters, if you look at this one, if you put this hanger in there, the neck is really short and you can barely see it. So if you put something that has a longer neck, just put this inside, and here you go. This is much better. So it'd be easy to hang this from a tree. And just some finishing touches to give here. You can shape it more properly, and you can cut it from here so it has this little hook like thing, so it holds it in place and it doesn't move as much as this one is moving. So for now I'm just going to twist it a little more So there, that will hold it in place. And here it is not as pretty as the one that I made earlier. Yeah, this isn't perfect, but it's hard to make this exactly right while making this video, I realized. But this is pretty much what all you need to do to make this. This is exactly how I've made this one, and the only difference is that I had cut this extra bit of wire over here in this, so it fit perfectly like that. And just a little more shaping. It takes a few tries to get it right and to get it to look like how we want it. But that's all there is to making these hangers. You can just insert them into your gift card holders and hang them from a tree. Here are 4 examples of these sweaters. They're all really cute, I think. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have a lot of free patterns on my blog as well, which you're welcome to check out. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.